Hey everyone, check out and meet the latest member of our family. This is our beautiful mint color, individually hand painted in our old world and our floral lace. Absolutely stunning and so perfect for this time of year. Hey everyone, I am so excited to share with you our latest and greatest Tara's must-have in fresh spring colors and of course all of your favorites. But check it out, our 3-quart oval, helper handles here on the side, and yep, you guessed it, we updated those baskets 20 years ago. The very first piece was in solid colors and rattan baskets. Now it's in this beautiful banana leaf basket detail so that when you take that baker right out of the oven at 500 degrees, you can put it right inside here, carry it, bring it to the table, works as a trivet. So you have a choice. You can pick the 3-quart oval, or I recommend you get them both, however, or you can get the double loaf pans. So love the fact that, again, you have that beautiful braided detail if you're picking up Old World. You have that rope detail if you're picking up, of course, floral lace. But look at this. You can actually see the brush strokes. It's such a fun, gorgeous color, and those beautiful baskets all hand woven there, perfect to drop that baker right inside. And of course, it's your temptation. So your 3-quart oval, or of course your 2 loaf pans, absolutely perfect. If you're picking up the whole set, you can stack everything right inside and go ahead.